Good morning, my friends. How are you all doing this morning? I am doing very well. I am ready to read another story for you all. I should probably put my glasses on so that I can see the words. All right, there we go. Today I am going to read Don't Push the Button. Whatever you do, just don't push the button. Okay. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. Oh, I almost touched it. It does look pretty nice, though. Maybe you should give the button one push. All right, go ahead. Give it a push. Oh, there you go. All right. Uh-oh. Now I'm yellow. Quick, push it again. Eek! Now I'm yellow with polka dots. Oh my goodness. All right, push it twice. Ugh. Now there's two of me. Push the button a bunch of times. You ready? Push it, push it, push it, push it, push it. Uh-oh. Now there's lots of Larrys. Oh! Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. All right, I'm going to shake it. Can you guys help me? Give it a good shake. Let's see what happens. Woo! Almost. A little more. All right, shake it again. Oh, all right. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. All right, I'm gonna scratch his belly. Tickle, tickle. Do you want to scratch his belly? Tickle, tickle. Woo! That tickles. Okay, much better. All right, let's not push that button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more times. Oh no! Quick, shut the book. All right, you guys have a great day. I love you so much and I miss you all.